Hello, and welcome back to Money Mastermind. Today we are exploring how to retire early using a 401k. Now let's get started. But first, if you enjoy this content or anything related to investing, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get straight into it. Financial independence and early retirement have become increasingly desirable goals for many individuals seeking greater control over their future and more time to pursue their passions. Achieving these objectives requires careful financial planning and strategic investment. One powerful tool in this journey is the 401k retirement account. The concept of financial independence includes reaching a point where one's passive income covers all expenses, providing the freedom to live life on one's own terms without the need to rely on traditional employment. Similarly, retiring early involves leaving the workforce ahead of the typical retirement age, allowing you to enjoy more leisure time and pursue meaningful activities. Utilizing retirement accounts like the 401k is crucial for realizing these aspirations. The 401k offers unique advantages, including tax benefits and potential employer contributions, making it an effective vehicle for long-term wealth accumulation. By contributing regularly to a 401k and maximizing investment returns through wise asset allocation, you can build a substantial nest egg over time. The disciplined approach of contributing to a 401k encourages financial responsibility and saving for the future. Whether you are aiming to retire in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, using the power of a 401k can significantly accelerate the journey towards financial independence. In this video, we will explore strategies for leveraging your 401k to retire faster, including maximizing contributions, investing wisely, and avoiding common pitfalls. By understanding the importance of the 401k in achieving financial independence and retiring early, you can take actionable steps towards a more secure and fulfilling future. One popular movement that aligns closely with the pursuit of early retirement is the FIRE movement, which stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. This movement emphasizes aggressive saving, frugal living, and strategic investing to attain financial freedom at a younger age than traditional retirement. Within the context of the FIRE movement, the role of the 401k in savings and investment becomes essential. Contributions to a 401k account can serve as the basis of one's retirement strategy, providing tax advantages and potential employer matches that accelerate wealth accumulation. The disciplined approach of consistently contributing to a 401k aligns well with the principles of the FIRE movement, where every dollar saved brings you closer to your goal of early retirement. We encourage you to assess your own financial goals and aspirations, considering factors such as desired retirement age, lifestyle preferences, and anticipated expenses in retirement. By setting specific and achievable retirement goals, you can tailor your savings and investment strategies, including maximizing contributions to their 401k accounts to align with your objectives. In this video, we will dive deeper into the importance of setting retirement goals, exploring how they inform financial decisions, and guide you on your path to financial independence and early retirement. Through practical tips and insights, you will gain the tools you need to define your retirement goals and take proactive steps towards realizing them. Maximizing contributions to your 401k is essential for accelerating your journey towards financial independence and early retirement. In this section, we will explore effective strategies to make the most of your savings plan. Firstly, taking advantage of employer matching contributions can significantly boost your retirement savings. Many employers offer matching contributions, typically up to a certain percentage of your salary. By contributing enough to receive the full match, you're essentially getting free money added to your retirement account, instantly increasing its value. Secondly, contributing the maximum allowable amount each year is key to maximizing the benefits of your 401k. As of 2024, the annual contribution limit for 401k accounts is $20,500 for individuals under 50. By contributing the maximum amount allowed, you're taking full advantage of the tax benefits and potential investment growth offered by your 401k. For individuals aged 50 and over, making catch-up contributions is another valuable strategy. Catch-up contributions allow older individuals to contribute additional funds to their 401k accounts beyond the standard contribution limit. This allows them to accelerate their retirement savings and compensate for any years of lower contributions. Also, it's crucial to highlight the power of compound interest and long-term investing in maximizing your 401k. By consistently contributing to your 401k and allowing your investments to grow over time, you can take advantage of compounding returns, where your earnings generate further earnings. This exponential growth can significantly increase the value of your retirement savings over the long term. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your 401k contributions and pave the way towards a more secure and prosperous retirement through disciplined saving, strategic investing, and a focus on long-term goals. You unlock the full potential of your 401k to achieve financial independence and retire early. Investing wisely within your 401k is crucial for maximizing long-term growth and achieving your retirement goals. In this section, we will explore key principles of investment strategy tailored specifically to your 401k. Firstly, asset allocation and diversification are fundamental concepts to understand. Asset allocation involves spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents to manage risk and optimize returns. Diversification within each asset class further mitigates risk by investing in a variety of securities. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce the impact of market changes on your overall investment performance. Within your 401k, you have access to a range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and index funds. Stocks offer the potential for higher returns, but come with greater volatility, while bonds provide stability and income but typically yield lower returns. Index funds, which track market indices like the S&P 500, offer a low-cost and diversified approach to investing in stocks. When selecting the right investment mix for your 401k, it's essential to consider your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Younger investors with a longer time horizon may be more comfortable taking on higher levels of risk and allocating a larger portion of their portfolio to stocks. Conversely, older investors nearing retirement may prioritize capital preservation and income generation, opting for a more conservative allocation with a higher proportion of bonds. By understanding the principles of asset allocation, diversification, and risk management, and tailoring your investment mix to align with your individual circumstances, you can make informed decisions within your 401k and build a strong foundation for your retirement portfolio. In addition to your 401k, there are other retirement accounts that can accelerate your retirement savings. One such account is the individual retirement account, which offers unique advantages and flexibility to supplement your 401k contributions. IRAs come in two main varieties, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs allow for tax-deferred contributions, meaning you don't pay taxes on the money you contribute until you withdraw it in retirement. Roth IRAs, on the other hand, are funded with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Both types of IRAs offer investment options similar to those available within a 401k, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Contributing to an IRA can further accelerate your retirement savings in several ways. Firstly, it provides an additional avenue for tax-advantaged growth, allowing your investments to compound over time without the drag of annual taxes on gains. Secondly, IRAs offer greater control and flexibility over investment choices compared to many employer-sponsored 401k plans, allowing you to tailor your portfolio to your specific goals and risk tolerance. Contributing to an IRA can provide a barrier against potential changes in employment. If you change jobs or your employer doesn't offer a 401k plan, an IRA ensures that you can continue saving for retirement independently. By strategically leveraging additional retirement accounts like IRAs alongside your 401k, you can maximize tax advantages, diversify your investment portfolio, and accelerate your path toward financial independence and early retirement. Understanding the benefits and considerations of each retirement account allows you to optimize your savings strategy and build a more secure financial future. While a 401k is a powerful tool for retirement savings, there are common pitfalls that you should be mindful of to ensure you stay on track towards your financial goals. In this next section, we'll highlight some of these pitfalls and offer guidance on how to avoid them. One common mistake is taking early withdrawals or loans from a 401k. While some plans allow for loans, these should be approached with caution. Withdrawing funds before reaching retirement age typically incurs penalties and taxes, undermining the long-term growth potential of your retirement saving. Also, borrowing from your 401k can disrupt your savings momentum and jeopardize your financial security in retirement. Another pitfall to avoid is cashing out a 401k when changing jobs. While it may be tempting to cash out your retirement savings when transitioning to a new job, this can have significant financial consequences. Cashing out incurs taxes and penalties, and it diminishes the value of your retirement nest egg. You lose the opportunity for continued tax-deferred growth and compounding returns on your investments. Instead of cashing out, consider rolling over your 401k into an IRA or your new employer's retirement plan. This preserves the tax-advantaged status of your savings and allows you to continue building wealth for retirement without interruption. Alternatively, leaving your 401k with your former employer may be a viable option, depending on the plan's fees and investment options. By avoiding these common pitfalls and making informed decisions about your 401k, you can safeguard your retirement savings and stay on course towards achieving financial independence and a secure retirement. Taking a proactive approach to managing your 401k ensures that you make the most of this valuable asset on your journey to long-term financial success. In conclusion, this video has provided valuable insights into leveraging your 401k for financial independence and early retirement. We've covered essential topics, including setting retirement goals, maximizing contributions, investing wisely, and avoiding common pitfalls. Here's a recap of the key points discussed. Setting clear retirement goals and timelines is crucial for creating a roadmap towards financial independence and early retirement. Strategies for maximizing your 401k contributions include taking advantage of employer matching, contributing the maximum allowable amount each year, and making catch-up contributions for those over 50. Investing wisely within your 401k involves understanding the importance of asset allocation, diversification, and selecting the right mix of investments based on risk tolerance and retirement goals. Avoiding common pitfalls such as taking early withdrawals or loans from a 401k and cashing out when changing jobs is essential to preserve the long-term growth potential of your retirement savings. We encourage you to take action and start maximizing your 401k contributions today. By prioritizing retirement savings and adopting sound investment strategies, you can build a substantial nest egg for the future. Remember, smart 401k planning can pave the way for achieving financial independence and retiring early. With disciplined saving, strategic investing, and a long-term perspective, you have the power to take control of your financial future and enjoy the retirement lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Start your journey towards a secure and fulfilling retirement today by making the most of your 401k. Thanks for watching Money Mastermind. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other videos for more investing tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.